This week is belly dance for stability. In order to be stable, you need to stand strong and not be feeble when things are coming at you on every angle. Just know that you are strong and powerful and totally capable of all things. So, time to wear something comfortable and let's get to it. In this video, we'll be going to focus on traveling and working on angles, different quarter turns and half turns. Okay? And again, it's all for being capable of being strong and stable. Okay? Let's get to it. The music is on. Yes. Step, 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 step. As you step, just sway. We're going to start with the right foot forward and back. Right? Forward and back. So this is going to keep going forward and back, but now we're going to add some quarter turns to it. So I want you to hit every corner of your room. So we're going to start with the right corner. Keep going with the step. It's forward, now back. Now the back corner of your room. Forward and back. Again, the other back of corner. And now front corner. And hold. We're going to go a double hip and circle. A little wave here. And a sway. And I want you to twist back a little bit. So it's a two little hip and a circle, one hip circle, bump, and it's a hip circle. If you're not comfortable with the hip circle, you just sway. So two sharp, bump and sway. Two sharp, bump and sway. Now same thing, we're still focusing on the right side. You're going to go forward and back. Actually, no, you're going to go forward, but don't bring that foot back. Just transfer the weight to the center. Now this foot, you're going to be turning a half turn. You're facing this wall. Now you're going to face that wall. So bring that right foot to the back. Okay, and transfer the weight to the center foot, the left foot, and then do a quarter turn right here. Okay, let's do that together. So we go. Step forward, keep your foot center, half turn, and step, and now quarter turn. Okay, one more time. So you go. Right foot facing front, half turn, step, another half turn, step, and face me. Right. Good. So let's repeat everything on the left side. And we're going to go right away to the left corner. Forward and back. Forward and back. Back corner. Forward and back. Back corner again. Forward and back. Front corner. Forward and back. And double hip and circle or sway. Pop, pop. Nice and smooth here. Notice my knees are relaxed, they're not tight. And when I do an accent, there's not a back knee, sharp back knee, it's just a soft, I never lock the knee. Soft knees. Okay, same thing with the right. We're gonna go and do half turns. So we're gonna go facing this wall. Okay, the center foot doesn't move, it just kind of pivots around. Step. Now left foot is gonna go back, and now you face the other half of the wall. And then transfer the weight in the center, and quarter turn. And nice little loop here, pop, pop. Or you could sway. Let's do that again. So it's half turn, quarter turn, now we're going to try and put both sides. So again, I'm working on both sides so you could be strong, okay? So we're going to focus on the right now. Do the same quarter turns. So we're going to go with the right foot forward and back. 5. We go. Forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Forward and back. Double and sway. Double hip and sway. Now half turn. So you're going right foot face this wall. Forward, half turn. Again, half turn, quarter turn, double hip, no sway, double, and now just a little shimmy. So everything on the right. You go. Forward corner, back corner, back corner, forward corner, double hip and sway. Double hip, now half turn. Half turn. Quarter turn. Hold it here. And then do to the left. It's forward and back. Forward and back. Double and sway. Now half turn. Quarter turn. Hold it here. Now on the right. Left, my right. You ready? So now we're gonna go half turn and quarter turn. Now we're gonna go a bit faster. I think we got it. Now right foot and forward and back. Double hip and sway. Now half turn. Now right side. Double hip, papa, and sway. Now half turn, half turn. Quarter turn here. And that's your routine. Now start back on the right. Half turn. Hold it here. Now left side. Half turn. And now right again. Half turn. Left. All right. Okay, we ready? So this is our last set. It's the fastest version. So let's start from the top. Right side. Again. Forward and back. Half turn. Half turn. And start over. And da, 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 da. And half turn. Half turn. And forward and back. Half turn. Now hold it here. We're going to start with the right. Half turn. I knew it was coming to the end. Okay, that was excellent. Don't forget, in order to be strong, you still have to give yourself a chance to be strong. In order to get these movements, if you're having a hard time with those turns, that's normal, totally normal. So be gentle, take your time, and just gradually progress into it, okay? But the most important thing is to be gentle. If you're too harsh on yourself and you don't say really nice things to yourself, you can't get strong. You're just going to get weak. So be gentle, love yourself, and I'll see you next week. Mwah.